Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best vacuum cleaners. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. Shark NV352 Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum. Meet the Shark NV352 Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum, a powerful, lightweight cleaning machine designed to make your home dust-free, allergen-free, and spotless in minutes. Priced around $121.49, this vacuum delivers premium-level cleaning features at a budget-friendly cost, making it one of the best value upright vacuums in its category. Lift-away technology. Detach the pod for portable cleaning on stairs, sofas, and tight spaces. HEPA filter plus anti-allergen seal. Captures dust, allergens, and fine particles for cleaner air. Swivel steering. Easily moves around furniture and corners without struggle. Multi-surface cleaning. Works great on carpets, hard floors, and upholstery. Lightweight design. Easy to carry and maneuver around the house. Wide upholstery and crevice tools. Perfect for deep cleaning corners, edges, and furniture gaps. Washable filters. Saves money on replacements and long-term maintenance. Pros. Strong suction power for deep carpet cleaning. Excellent allergy protection with HEPA system. Very versatile with lift-away feature. Lightweight and easy to control. Cons. Corded design limits mobility. Dustbin is a bit small for large homes. Can feel slightly loud during max suction. Number 4. Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe NV360. Meet the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe NV360. A powerful upright vacuum designed for deep cleaning carpets and hard floors with ease and flexibility. Priced around $187.99, this vacuum sits in the mid-range segment, but delivers premium features like HEPA filtration and lift-away portability. Great value for serious home cleaning. Lift-away technology. Detachable pod for portable cleaning on stairs, furniture, and tight spaces. HEPA filter plus anti-allergen seal. Traps dust, allergens, and fine particles for cleaner indoor air. Large dust cup capacity. Clean longer without frequent emptying. Swivel steering. Smooth control around furniture and corners. Multi-surface cleaning. Strong performance on carpets and hard floors. Upholstery and crevice tools included. Perfect for sofas, edges, and hard-to-reach areas. Bagless design. Easy maintenance with no extra bag cost. Pros. Strong suction for deep carpet cleaning. Excellent allergen control with HEPA system. Large dust cup reduces interruptions. Very versatile with lift-away feature. Good build quality for the price. Cons. Corded design limits range. Slightly bulky compared to stick vacuums. Can be a bit noisy on high power. Number 3. Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252. Meet the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252, a powerful cleaning machine built specifically to handle pet hair, dirt, and everyday mess with ease. Priced around $119.99, this vacuum delivers strong pet-focused cleaning performance, making it a great budget-friendly option for pet owners who want deep cleaning without spending too much. Triple action brush roll. Lifts, loosens, and removes embedded pet hair and dirt. Swivel steering. Easy movement around furniture and tight spaces. Scatter-free technology. Prevents mess from spreading on hard floors. Large capacity dirt tank, 1L. Less frequent emptying during cleaning. Edge-to-edge cleaning. Cleans corners and wall edges effectively. Multi-surface cleaning. Works on carpets, rugs, and hard floors. Multi-cyclonic system. Helps maintain strong suction performance. Lightweight design, 12.5 pounds, easier to push and control. Pros. Excellent for pet hair removal. Strong suction for the price. Easy maneuverability with swivel steering. Good dust capacity for longer cleaning sessions. Effective on multiple surfaces. Cons. No cordless option, corded only. Can be noisy during use, 80 dB. Basic features compared to higher-end models. Number 2. Shark Navigator Lift-Away NV356E. Meet the Shark Navigator Lift-Away NV356E, a premium upright vacuum designed for powerful pet hair removal, deep carpet cleaning, and all-around home cleaning performance. Priced around $199.99, this model sits in the higher mid-range category, but it delivers advanced filtration, strong suction, and long-term durability, making it a solid investment for pet owners. Lift-Away detachable pod. Easily convert into a portable cleaner for stairs, furniture, and tight spaces. HEPA Filter Plus Anti-Allergen Complete Seal. Captures 99.9% of dust and allergens as small as 0.3 microns. Pet Power Brush included. Designed specifically for lifting stubborn pet hair. Swivel steering. Smooth navigation around furniture and obstacles. Brush roll shutoff. Switch between carpet and bare floors instantly. Multi-surface cleaning. Works on carpets, hard floors, upholstery, and more. Large set of attachments. Includes dusting brush, crevice tool, and hose for detailed cleaning. Washable filters. Easy maintenance and long-term cost savings. Strong 1200W suction power. Deep cleaning performance for heavy-duty messes. Pros. Excellent for pet hair removal with dedicated brush. Very strong suction power. Advanced HEPA filtration for allergy protection. Versatile lift-away design. Durable build with 5-year warranty. Cons. Slightly heavy at 13.7 pounds. Corded design limits movement. Can be noisy during high-power use, 80 dB. Number 1. Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252. Meet the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252, a powerful cleaning machine built to handle pet hair, dust, and everyday mess with ease. Priced around $119.99, this vacuum is one of the best budget-friendly options for pet owners who want strong cleaning power without overspending. Triple action brush roll. Lifts and removes embedded pet hair and dirt. Swivel steering. Smooth control around furniture and tight spaces. Scatter-free technology. Prevents mess from spreading on hard floors. Large 1L dirt tank. Clean longer with fewer interruptions. Edge-to-edge cleaning. Reaches corners and wall edges effectively. Multi-surface cleaning. Works on carpets, rugs, and hard floors. Multi-cyclonic system. Helps maintain strong suction performance. Lightweight design. 12.5 pounds. Easy to push and maneuver. Pros. Excellent for pet hair removal. Strong suction for the price. Easy maneuverability with swivel steering. Good dirt capacity. Effective on multiple surfaces. Cons. Corded only, no cordless freedom. Can be noisy, 80 dB. Basic features compared to premium models. If you're looking for a budget-friendly pet vacuum with strong performance, this is a solid pick. Check the link in the description for the latest price and deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more vacuum reviews.